thankfully we both are doing it because we both couldn't have done it without each other. It's a very physical and hard-working experience.
It's really it's also a race about endurance for sure.
I love the 120, but to be able to drive it in this kind of race is really special. And this one, I have to say, has been really well prepared.
One of the main roles we have every night is to service the customers' cars to make sure they are in tip-top condition. We pride ourselves on the thoroughness of our checking. You know, we have all the equipment here, lights, canopies, tools, and we also have the Arctic truck that we bring to each event. Basically, it's safety. We make sure that the car is safe to go on the road for our clients. The customers are then assured that they can drive it to their utmost capability and know that the car is going to be safe.